Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your first love bite of the month. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Cappies, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Capricorn, I'm starting out with the 8 of Wands, the 9 of Pentacles, Page of Cups, 3 of Swords, Knight of Swords. You guys have had a fight here with some angry words spoken as well. Ace of Cups, Justice, and the 6 of Swords. Alright, Capricorn. So yes, things are not very happy, it seems, between the two of you right now. There has been a little bit of an argument or a fight. Maybe there's no talking happening at the moment. A lot of time is going by. Maybe one person hasn't even come forward to apologize or say sorry. But I think somebody is feeling a bit ungrounded now, that they're realizing they're losing their love, some injustice has been done, wanting to fix things so that peace and harmony can be restored. So I'm going to start, Capricorn, with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards, okay? Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and the person. All right, let's take a few more, Capricorn, from another deck. Capricorn and their person spirit. And Cappies, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here and we begin your reading. Capricorn and their person. Good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and your denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me. But you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. I told you somebody's using silence as manipulation here. Okay, next card says, you changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. I've moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I have chosen to focus on myself, on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. Again, second reference to silence. No talking. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the kind of person anyone would desire. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. Maybe somebody is now realizing. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. No matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still the best thing that's ever happened to me. I've never felt such an intense connection. I really need your warmth and affection. And the last card here says, I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. Yeah, somebody is going through their healing after a fight, it seems. All right, so I'm going to start Capricorn with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Blessing, guidance. Okay, here it is. And the card I have here for you is confidence. So, well, this goes two ways. This is a very, very strong sword of Archangel Michael. Sometimes it is used to sever unhealthy attachments, unhealthy ties. But in a simpler meaning, it could just be somebody's gathering up their courage now, their confidence to say, all right, if the other person is not going to step up, then I'm going to heal myself. All right, so let's see. Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit, what's happening here? Why is there no talking going on? Somebody didn't offer commitment or was not committed or was blocking off talking about commitment here, Capricorn. And that's the reason. Maybe they were trying to delay talking about it. And the other person felt that, hey, that means you don't love me, and probably stopped talking to them and said, what's the point? This is not going to go anywhere, so it's over. Now the other person, I think, is realizing that they have caused a beautiful connection to be disrupted. They are the cause of this connection not moving forward. They do now want to move forward, come towards their partner. They are manifesting, I think, a new beginning here, but still resisting apologizing, I think. Because they're not sure whether their person will be happy to be reunited with them. They are stopping their urge to message them or talk to them, wanting to know if their person is on the same page yet. Will I have reciprocity if I go forward? I don't want to be stressed out and tense. What if? They do want to communicate very, very, very badly, but they're stopping themselves, right? This is what they want to do, but they are not sure whether they will be accepted back or their partner will be happy to have them back. So that's the delay here. Desperately they want to heal this broken heart of this Empress, but this Empress, they feel, doesn't want to have anything to do with them, because they probably in the past refused them. They know that this Empress is now kind of is shying away from them or not wanting to interact with them. They know that they have disrespected this Empress, not offered this Empress a happily ever after. Maybe there was a fight here. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Maybe they were just being rash. Yes, they were very immature in their behavior. When asked to make a decision, they could have probably, been rash or unkind, or said, I just wanted to be friends with benefits, or just done or said something which was not at par with an Empress, right? An Empress is highest level of everything. And look at this person the way they behaved. Maybe they were having money problems, or they were more concerned with their work and not wanting to settle down right now. They just went a wrong direction in this relationship, it seems. But I do feel they want to bring some justice and balance back now. Why? Because now they're feeling they lost the biggest love of their life. Things have really halted. So till now, all they've been doing is stalking, watching. Why? Because things have stagnated between the two of you. They're fearing that the love that at one time was shown to them by this Empress is no longer being shown. And I think there was a card which said that here in the dialogue cards. Something about them stalking. I don't remember now which one. Yeah, you're using silence as a manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out. So this person has been watching, stalking, not being able to come forward because they feel that this Empress now doesn't love them anymore. Justice in reverse. Justice in reverse. Yes, they're not sure whether this Empress will allow them to even try now to work things out with them. They do want to talk, though. They desperately want to have this communication. maybe offer to say, hey, let's start again, let's leap off this cliff together now, let's heal all the conflict that's happened between us and move to a happier, calmer place for ourselves. I mean, together. One more card, Spirit, for this Justice. But the whole point is that inside them somewhere, they don't have the confidence. They don't have the confidence. They already feel there is no hope. As much as they want it, they feel there is no hope, and they're kind of guarding themselves. As much as they want to try another time, this person is very scared. They're very scared. So, Six of Swords, Spirit, who's going off to have peace in their life? Six of Swords. Queen of Wands. Strength. And the Queen of Swords. Yes, this Empress is still very upset and angry with them. They don't really trust this person now. Why? Because they have no courage. If you don't have the courage to come to me and make peace with me or commit to me or be there for the long haul, then, well, I'm the Empress. I need somebody who's strong, who can do the right thing. Yeah, this Queen of Wands is the one, I think, who's leaving and moving off, dropping this person and saying, I can't deal with somebody who's always going to be iffy about me. Sometimes they are this way, sometimes they are that way. I'm not willing to deal with anyone who can't make up their mind, who doesn't have the confidence to make a decision regarding us. So it could be this Empress who's moving forward. They're very unhappy that so much time, effort, energy has been wasted in a connection with somebody who they thought was their soulmate. The feeling is still there. This person was meant to be in my life, but depressed that they never invested. So with a heavy heart, I think this Empress is the one who's kind of giving up on this connection. But the other person, even though I know they want to, they are still very afraid. So what's the Sun card in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Sun card in reverse? Because things are stuck. Things are stuck. This person is just not opening up with all the love in their heart. They have love, that's for sure, but they are still closed off. They're not revealing their true intentions, maybe because they fear that this Empress doesn't want them anymore. The whole point is almost behaving like a coward. Sorry, Capricorn, if this is you, but if not, put a comment and tell me who this person is for you. They need to gather their confidence, that's for sure, if they want to be at par with this Empress. So that's what's going on right now, Capricorn. Let's see in the next reading. Till now, no, they don't have they'd rather be sitting out in the cold than actually reveal what's truly going on in their heart. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.